Greetings for the day. Myself, Dr. Manisha Seal, from the Department of Professional Management Studies, Christu Jayanti College Autonomous, presenting you airport management and a small overview of key concepts of airport management. Introduction. How do we define airport management? Airport management is about managing the operations of airport, ensuring the customer service with reference to all the passengers, those who are traveling or arriving in the particular airport, to be served better. Quality and quantity of services are assured to those passengers who are traveling by airport, and the logistics, all the related logistics in handling customers, in managing customers, uh, as well as the various cargos to be managed with the help of logistics. So logistics are involved not only to handling customers or passengers, as well as they are also being logistics are utilized for handling various types of cargo in order to move cargo from one airport to another airport by ensuring safety, security, efficiency of every individual movement of cargo and passengers, leading to customer satisfaction. Importance of airport management. It should facilitate safe and efficient air travel, whether it is passenger movement or it is cargo movement. There must be safe and effective and efficient movement of passengers and cargo, both. Uh, it must enhance economic development of aviation sector by ensuring more and more business, more and more commercial travel of passengers and cargo movement. It also must be able to manage higher passenger and cargo traffic. How many number of passengers, whether it is thousands and lakhs of passengers traveling at a time, must be managed very effectively and efficiently. This is a small view of a tarmac, or we may also call it as the parking area of all the aircrafts. It is called as tarmac. It is also maybe called as apron. Okay, so this apron must be managed, is a very important part of airport management. Okay, the major functions of airport management includes airside operations as an important part of operation management, airside operations and landside operations. Other than that, we also have a cargo operations that are taking place. Airside operations is with reference to managing runway, managing taxiways and the apron where the aircrafts are parked, the taxiways and the runways where the movement of aircrafts takes place for landing purpose as well as for taking off purpose. ATC, air traffic control, as well as all the ground handling operations are part of airside operations. Landside operations includes as a whole the terminal management, where outside the terminal we see a lot of parking areas of various passenger vehicles, taxis, airport coaches will be there. So, and connectivity to the airport, inside airport, the road access, the rail access, or any integration of all the transportation facilities to reach to a particular airport. So that it is a part of landside operations. It includes various types of transportations, and overall customer experience are also must be taken into consideration as a landside operations, as well as air cargo operations is dealing with every type of cargo items, different types of cargo items in the cargo terminal sector. It includes loading, unloading, storing of cargo, transferring of cargo to the warehouse nearby to the airport. So all these are various parts of operation management that we undertake. Safety security is another important aspect to be taken care as a part of important function of airport management. Safety of the passengers as well as the safety of the cargo movement as per the rules and regulations determined by ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, and Aviation Authority. That Aviation Authority may be IATA organization. These are the two prominent organization which ensures the proper regulations are stipulated, and every airline is following, every passenger and cargo airline is following these safety rules and regulations in order to respond to various emergencies which may occur in the airport premises, and security check-ins, screening procedure of baggage, and the movement of passengers, everything. The procedure, the what we follow is all authorized by IATA and ICAO organization. So these are the general safety and security aspects that we are looking into. Apart from that, there is one more important aspect of important function of airport management, that is air traffic management. Air traffic management involves handling of air traffic control. Okay, air traffic control is also termed as ATC. Okay, so it helps in landing of aircraft, movement of aircraft, and navigation related information on air. On the airspace, controlled and uncontrolled airspace. In every aspect, the aircraft has been navigated in every way, every time frame. The aircraft has been easily navigated by the ATC in order to have a safe travel and safe movement of aircraft from the origin to destination. Okay. Apart from that, we also have a air traffic flow, which helps in balancing the air traffic when there is a too much of aircraft movement happening on air, in order to manage or balance the air traffic movement at a different altitude. At a different altitude at various capacities is must be taken care by the as a part of air traffic management, is must be taken care by the airport. Even the airspace management, effective utilization of airspace management by ensuring optimum utilization of available airspace by collaborating with civil and military authorities in order to allocate airspace dynamism based on demand and priority of aviation, of aircraft movement. Okay. Other than that, we also have a facility management, which ensures the maintenance of airport infrastructure. Prominent aspect of airport infrastructure is terminal as a whole. In an airport, generally we will have uh, multiple terminals. Okay, terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. Many of the international airports have multiple number of air terminals. Okay, so all these terminals, as one of the important prominent infrastructure, need to be managed. The management of runways, management of taxiways, apron management. So all these are important aspects of infrastructure which has to be managed as a part of a facility. Upkeeping of various utilities like lighting, heating, water supply, ensuring cleanliness and hygiene across the airport premises, in and around the airport premises, managing various types of vendors inside the airport and outside the airport, with the retail spaces, lounges, parking facilities for them, proper space areas given to for customer handling to various airlines. So all these are facility that has been given to the stakeholders, facilities that has been given to the stakeholders to operate their services effectively and efficiently in order to manage the passengers in the airports. Okay, apart from that, we also have a customer service. Okay, customer service is to ensure passenger experience, efficient and effective passenger experience. Okay, by ensuring that all the amenities and world-class facilities are available to them, addressing each and every individual passenger's complaints and feedbacks to improve the service quality of the airport, providing assistance for the special needs of the passengers with reference to VVIPs, with reference to disabled passengers or specially abled passengers. Okay, managing any lost and found services if there is any issue, if there is any loss of baggage, loss of valuables within the airport premises or in the aircraft while undergoing travel, anything has been misplaced, any luggage has been misplaced, it is the responsibility of the airport as a part of airport management to ensure that any lost item or a baggage must be given back or must be located by the aircraft with the help of our RFID tracking system, with the help of RFID tracking system, so that any of the baggages cannot be lost. Okay, so that's all. These are the general overview of the functions of airport management. Thank you.